Some of you may have saw in one of my previous videos, a friend of mine ran over the garden hose and we had to splice it together with a special adapter. Splicing your hose together. Well, one other handy dandy feature I found was these quick disconnects. Still pressure in the hose. But anyway, these quick disconnects, you can attach them to the male portion, and then this is for the female portion. They just screw on the hose bibs just like you normally would attach a garden hose. But these come together, they're a couple bucks a piece, and it's a quick disconnect. Just connects it just like that. If you want to disconnect it, disconnect it like that. So I'm getting ready to cut the grass with the Kubota L3301 and Land Pride finish mower. And I didn't want to take the chance of a repeat failure of cutting the hose. So I'll go disconnect the hose and get it totally eliminated out of the way. So that, my friends, is just Phil's tip of the day. Thanks for joining us here on Peterson's Farm of Nashville. And remember to hit that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't done so to see other things like this. Helpful hints. Have a great day. God bless y'all.